Ano yun? Ano yun? Nakakaloka ka.
Crazy.
Hindi yata makain ko ang dinner.
Hindi na yata ako makain ng dinner.
There you go.
Hindi ako yata. Makakain.
Makakain.
See, he used it.
Kasi, mas maganda nga pag sa tingin ko. Sa tingin ko, hindi na ako maghahaponan.
Sabihin natin, magagamit mo lang yun, sabihin natin, may ginagawa ka. Hindi na ata ako makakain.
Oo. O kaya...
Oh, if you're doing the action. Or if it's like right...
Possibly.
Hindi. Kapag, kunyari, busy ka, tapos, sa tingin mo, hindi mo mas fit sa time mo yung pagkain ng hapunan, yun pwede. Hindi na yata ako makakapaghapunan. Pero iibahin mo, hindi maghahapunan, makakapaghapunan yung dapat.
Makakapaghapunan.
See? Pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo eh.
Hindi
Hindi na yata ako. Ba't baliktad? Hindi na.
We're just trying to use the words that we've learned so far.
Ano pa? Sige, bigyan mo ako ng word.
Ang kulang nila, hindi na. Hindi ata.
Tama ba?
Na. What is it? Na.
Hindi na.
Tama. Hindi na yata ako makakapag.
Hindi na yata.
Kunyari.
Stressful day, pero walang ginagawa. Parang, no, we're all sobrang puyat.
May exam kayo? Ilang hours kayong nag-study?
Like 3 hours.
3?
3 oras, tapos break for 10 minutes, and then 2 hours again, edit.
1 hour lang eh. 1 hour lang.
Our class?
No, it's more than
It's
an
2
hour.
hours.
Is it 2?
He said, yan. Pero,
Sinabi mo na.
tingin ko,
Sige.
he said, can you give me 5 minutes warning before the first hour is done?
Gusto ko yung gusto ko yung nag-i-eavesdrop ka. Ikaw, ha?
He said it right in front of us. How can I eavesdrop? Carlo heard it, but
I was paying attention. I was busy
sleeping.
writing.
Saan kayo sa...
Mas nakakapagod tong week na
Aircon.
for the both of you.
Fucking lamig, man.
Kasi nabiligtad din kayo.
Hindi ka rin ng jacket mo.
I did, but I'm wearing a skirt. I put it in my...
Kaya nga, itaas mo yung medyas.
I can't because I won't. I don't know. And today they didn't give me socks, so I meant just...
Wala ka medyas this morning?
I just have slippers.
Magdala ka ng jogging pants.
Pwede. Next time.
Oh my God.
Pwede ganyan.
Talaga?
Oh, for your arms and chest.
Wow! Nagpapaliw na.
I know.
Sobrang bored kahit kanina.
Everyone's laughing so much today.